Hope 5. I had a thought which I wanted to share. In this world, a person possesses many different hopes and many different fears. As a result, people use the resources they were granted in order to obtain their hopes and avoid their fears. But the strange thing is that on Judgment Day, these fears and hopes will vanish and no one will give a second thought about them, except for the single fear of hell and hope for paradise. It is this reality that the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, understood and was a major reason why they lived the way they did. They knew that all one's worldly fears and hopes will be reduced to just one fear and one hope on Judgment Day. So as a result they made their hopes and fears into one hope and one fear, while they were still living on earth. This ensured they used the worldly blessings and resources they were granted, in order to obtain their single hope of paradise and to escape their single fear of hell. This allowed them to obtain peace in this world and in the next. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
This does not mean one should not fear or hope for anything other than paradise and hell. This discussion means all the things they fear and hope for in this world must be rooted in the single fear of hell and hope of paradise. In other words, all of one's fears and hopes must be directly connected to the single fear of hell and single hope for paradise. All other fears and hopes should be discarded, as they are unimportant in this world, even if this is not obvious to a person, as they will be unimportant on Judgment Day. Behaving in this manner will increase one's comfort and peace in this world, and ensure they are adequately prepared for escaping their single fear of hell, and obtaining their single hope for paradise in the hereafter.